Welcome to the Blues Rock 1D riff. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn that riff I was just playing, but first I want to show you it again without the backing track. So now let's jump into it and take a closer look, starting with the, which is pretty simple. We're going to start with 8 on the B string, hammering on to 10 of the B string, and pulling off to the 8. Only hitting the string once for 1 and and we're going to use our index and ring fingers to do this. So that's 8, 10, 8, but we're going to do a hammer on, and then pull off. 8, 10, 8. 1 and Moving past that, we have a pull off from the 12 to the 8 for 2 and, which we're going to use our pinky for that 12, and our index finger is staying on the 8, and the of that beat is going to be the 10, which is going to be our ring finger. So taking a closer look on the guitar, after doing that 8, 10, 8, I'm going to leave my index finger where it is, take my pinky up to the 12, and pull off 12 to 8 for 2 and, 2 and then is the 10 of the B string with my ring finger. So that's 2 and When I put those two together, it's 1 and 2 and That whole third beat we're going to leave blank, and you can maybe put some vibrato in there if you want. And then for the 4, we're going to do 8 on the B string, and the of 4, we'll do the 9 of the G string. And for that, we're going to use our index finger for the 8 and our middle finger for the 9. That's going to be 4 and if I'm going slowly. 4 and we're going to add vibrato to that 9. So if I play that entire first measure, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or a little faster. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and The entire second measure is blank, but we're going to let that 9 vibrato carry over for the 1 and 2 and move on to the next measure. The third measure is starting from the 10th fret of the B string, and we're going to do a hammer on a 12 down to 10 of the E string. Using our index to ring, 10 hammer on 12 to 10 of the E string using our index finger. Again, that's 10 hammer on 12, index to ring for 1 and then our is going to be our index finger on the 10 of the E string. 1 and Again, 1 and Now for the second beat, we're going to start with a grace note slide 12 to 17. That grace note slide from the 12 to the 17 on the second beat has to be quick. And then we're going to hit 17 2 more times for the and So I'm going to go 2 and Put those two together and you get 1 and 2 and Again, a little slower. 1 and 2 and And now let's finish this riff up with 3 and 4. We're going to start on that bottom E string on the 17 with our ring finger, and we're going to pull off to the 15, which is going to be our index finger. And then we're going to move our ring finger up to the 17 of the B string and hit that twice for our 4. So it's going to be 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Again, that's 3 and 4. So I'll do that entire measure slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. So now I'll play the whole thing slowly while counting as I go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Just a little faster. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning the riff. Now just get out there, have fun playing guitar, and just remember, happy practicing.